Hello viewers of AraaTech. Today we are presenting a new topic which is very common in AI and it have a very crucial role in artificial intelligence, and it calls PyTorch. So let's start our topic. What is PyTorch? PyTorch is an open source machine learning framework developed by Facebook's Artificial Intelligence Research Lab, FAIR. It provides a flexible and intuitive platform for building and deploying machine learning models. PyTorch is widely used by researchers, developers, and organizations for various artificial intelligence applications due to its ease of use, dynamic computation graph, and Pythonic interface. Role in artificial intelligence. PyTorch plays a crucial role in the field of artificial intelligence by providing a powerful framework for developing and deploying machine learning models. It enables researchers and developers to experiment with different deep learning architectures, algorithms, and techniques to solve complex problems across various domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. How to use PyTorch? Using PyTorch involves several key steps. Installation. PyTorch can be installed using Python package managers like pip or conda. Once installed, it can be imported into Python scripts or notebooks. Building models. PyTorch allows users to define and build machine learning models using its flexible and dynamic API. Users can specify the model architecture, layers, and parameters using Python code, making it easy to experiment with different model configurations. Training model. PyTorch provides tools for training machine learning models using labeled data. Users can specify the training data, loss function, optimizer, and evaluation matrix to train the model on their dataset. PyTorch's dynamic computation graph allows for efficient computation and automatic differentiation, simplifying the training process. Evaluation and deployment. After training, users can evaluate the performance of the model on test data and deploy it for inference on new data. PyTorch offers deployment options for various platforms including desktop, mobile, and cloud environments. Importance of PyTorch. PyTorch is important for several reasons. Flexibility. PyTorch's dynamic computation graph and Pythonic interface provide flexibility and ease of use, allowing users to experiment with different deep learning architectures and techniques. Community and ecosystem. PyTorch has a large and active community of developers, researchers, and organizations contributing to its development and sharing resources, tutorials, and models. This vibrant ecosystem fosters innovation and collaboration in the field of artificial intelligence. Research and deployment. PyTorch is widely used in both academia and industry for research and development in artificial intelligence. Its flexibility and ease of use make it a popular choice for prototyping new ideas and implementing state-of-the-art algorithms. Challenges of PyTorch. While PyTorch offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges for users, including learning curve. PyTorch has a learning curve for beginners, especially those new to machine learning and deep learning concepts. Users may find it challenging to understand PyTorch's APIs, concepts, and best practices. Performance optimization. Optimizing the performance of PyTorch models, such as reducing training time or improving inference speed, can be complex and require expertise in optimization techniques and hardware configurations. Debugging and troubleshooting. Debugging PyTorch code and diagnosing errors or performance issues can be challenging, particularly for complex models or distributed systems. Subset of artificial intelligence supported by PyTorch. PyTorch supports various subsets of artificial intelligence, including computer vision. PyTorch provides tools and libraries for developing computer vision models for tasks such as image classification, object detection, and image segmentation. Natural language processing (NLP). PyTorch offers resources for building natural language processing models for tasks like text classification, named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and machine translation. Speech recognition. PyTorch supports speech recognition tasks, allowing users to build models for speech to text conversion, keyword spotting, and speaker identification. Reinforcement learning. PyTorch provides reinforcement learning algorithms and environments for developing and training reinforcement learning agents to solve complex decision-making problems. Overall, PyTorch is a versatile and powerful framework that plays a critical role in advancing artificial intelligence research and applications across various domains. With its flexibility, dynamic computation graph, and vibrant community, PyTorch remains a leading choice for machine learning practitioners and researchers worldwide.